Supposing we are a body, tuseme we are NOHEPA, we are health care professionals, na tunataka kwenda mtusikize, si watatufungulia milango? Ebu imagine all of us if we tukidown to tuseme tutaenda job mpaka watusikize, si watatusikiza kabisa? Ndio sababu tunaunda hii chama association yetu ya NOHEPA, na si ya mtu mmoja, na wewe utakuwa na a direct say. Mnaweza elect directors wale mnataka, board of directors ni nyinyi mtakuwa mna elect. So this is gonna be a professional body. I am only a mouthpiece, I'm only an initiator, I'm only a Moses. Nitaacha nyinyi muendelee na hizo zingine. Kwa hivyo nataka mchukue hii NOHEPA very seriously, kwamba ni chama ambacho kitatutetea kama ufanyikazi in caregiving. So far kuna mtu ana swali mpaka hapo, ili nipafanue vizuri kabla sijaendelea? Niendelee? Haya, tukisha form hiyo association, the next thing we are gonna do in that association, tutakuwa tukitafuta jobs, tutakuwa tukifanyia watu training, tutatafuta funds ambazo zitasaidia wale ambao wanataka kufanya CNA, wale wanataka kufanya LPN, wale wanataka kufanya RN, wapate kusaidika. There is a lot of funding available. Billionaire, ni kweli ama si kweli?
I was addressing the guy saying here, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Sasa hii ni mambo very serious. We want to be a very serious group. Na this is the initial group ambayo itaform hii chama, na tutaendelea na tutakuwa tuna elect directors sisi wenyewe. So I'm not gonna even be the one who will be saying. Nataka nyi wenyewe muwe ndio mtakuwa mkisema. And that's why I'm taking this like a baby. I'm taking this very seriously because ninajua vile itatusaidia. Ninajua mahali inaweza kutufikisha. Hata tukitaka kwenda kwa governor, na tunaweza enda hata kuona president wa hapa. This is a very serious organization. Na mtu ameniambia niseme NOHEPA manake ni nini? Manake ya NOHEPA ni Noble Healthcare Professionals Association. Na mimi nataka wasituitage caregivers, watuite health professionals. Ni kweli ama si kweli?
Sina madaktari.
Yes. We are health professionals. Kwa hivyo maneno ya caregiver tunaanza kusema waanze kusema we are looking for health professional in this area.
Hata tuliacha kuadresiwa like aliens.
Tutaanza kukampenia hiyo.
Yes, tuanze kukampeni hiyo.
Hata USIS imeacha kutuita aliens.
Yes. Kwa hivyo nataka katika hiyo NOHEPA kuna branch 3. Ordinary member na gold member na platinum member. So there is silver member, gold member na platinum member. Hebu nifafanue tafadhali Mwaura. Hii maneno ni serious, tusikize tafadhali. When you are a silver member, this is what the advantages of being a silver member. One, when we get jobs, you get the priority. Because we are going to be serious looking for jobs. We are going to employ people who will be looking just for jobs and good jobs. And mostly one-on-one jobs. That's the target. And we will only give to our members. Number 2, when you have an issue, like, tafadhalini naomba tuwe pamoja ili mkiwa na maswali tutauliza alafu tujibu. Number 2, Provider akikataa na pesa zako, as an association tunaweza kumwambia huyo provider, member wetu amesema kwamba you have not paid her money. Please let us know why you cannot pay the money. Tutakutetea. Namba ya 3, ukiwa condition ya kazi yako iko mbaya, tutakutetea. Namba ya 3, if there is discrimination, tutakutetea. Namba ya 5, ukiumia kazini, tutakutetea. Namba ya 6, unaonaga tuna work saa ingine more than 12 hours, saa ingine 16 hours, na you are being paid for only few hours worth of the pay. Ama unaambiwa kwamba na hujalala, you are not sleeping, you have interruption of sleep, but according to the regulations you are supposed to work to sleep for at least 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours.
8.
At least between 6 and 8 hours you must have sleep uninterrupted. Ukifanya holiday, you are supposed to be paid a time and a half. Mnalipwa a time and a half? Are you being paid a time and a half?
No.
No, you are not being paid. Mnaambiwa ati nyinyi ni monthly. Are you monthly really?
No.
So these are the issues that we need to tackle. That's the benefit of being a silver member. Na nyinyi ndio mtaamua how much you want to be paid as a silver member, si mimi. I want us to agree on a figure. Ndio mtu akileta siasa mtamwambia hapana, ni sisi tulikubaliana. Haya, kabla tuja agree on the figure, let's go to benevolent. Mimi nimekuwa na tatizo sana. I have been paying a lot of money kwa watu ambao wamefiwa. Mtu ananiambia nilifiwa na mume wangu, nilifiwa na babangu, nilifiwa na mtoto wangu na sina pesa. Saa ingine unaweka kwa group, unauliza watu wa contribute, unakuta watu 10 tu ndio wame contribute. Si ni kweli ama si kweli? So we want to be members of benevolent, ili mtu akifa, akipoteza mamake, akipoteza babake, as a group, as an association, we have a benevolent account ambayo itaangalia maneno ya huyo mtu. And I was looking at wewe ukifiwa ama wewe ukifa, kwa sababu kufa tutakufa tu one day. Unapewa, watu wenu wanapewa 10,000. Haya, spouse akifa, unapewa, spouse yako anapewa 8,000 pamoja na mtoto wako. Parents wakifa around 6,000. So tutafanya mahesabu according to those figures, tuone what is the minimum membership we need to have, ndio tuanze kuactivate payments mtu akifiwa. Hapa tumeelewana? Am I communicating clearly?
Yes.
Thank you so much. That is about the benevolent. And so you become an association member, then become a benevolent member, then that's gold. Then twende kwa platinum. Platinum is not for everybody. Hiyo ni ya watu serious who want to invest here in US. Ndio hata skule utaenda home, you know you have some dividends that are coming from your investment in US. Mnanisikia? Is it on?
Yeah,
It's okay. So that there is an investment that you have made here in US, that when you go back home, you can still get some dividends from a serious company. I'm looking at two things. Tunaweza invest in a home or in homes. We can invest in an institution like a facility with 100, 200 beds, and you become a member. You buy shares in that institution, and we have serious professionals to run it. Tutaandika wazungu, the professionals who run the, but we are the ones who will work. You work knowing this is your company. That's one idea. The other idea ambayo inanisumbua na nimekuwa nafanya research. How much billions are we sending to Kenya? Do you know? We are sending almost 100 billion to Kenya every month. Na hiyo inatoka kwa watu wa diaspora. Let me ask you, mnatumiaga what to send money? Wave. Mnatumia nini? Sendwave. Supposing we have our own company, our own. Wewe unatuma ukijua hii ni kampuni yetu. Hii ni kampuni ambao I'm also a shareholder in whatever minimum way you can be, and you are a shareholder of that company. Na tuwe sisi, we are sending with our own Sendwave. Let's say we call it diaspora, ama diaspora Sendwave, ama Nohepa wave, whatever wave. Yes, Nohepa wave. You can imagine those billions, hebu chukua 0.5% peke yake, hata 0.1%. It's a lot of money. So hata tukiemploy like 20 customer care people, hawatamaliza hizo pesa, and then you become a shareholder. Na hapa Amerika hakuna kunyang'anyana pesa, so usidanganywe. This is not investment at home ambao watu wanachezea wengine. This is serious business here in US, and they look at you like this. So you cannot try to con people, you cannot try to do funny things to people's money. You cannot. So I'm thinking this is a very serious thought, something to think about. And those who want to invest, they will be in a group called Platinum subscription. So we have how many subscriptions? 3. Number 1, let's say together. Number 1, silver. Number 2, gold. Number 3, platinum. Sasa narudisha everything to you people. Is it a good idea?
Brilliant.
Is it a good idea?
Yes.
Hebu tupiga makofi. Thank you. So we can become members on HEPA so that we can have a body, we can have a voice. That's number 1. Number 2, we don't want to lose people, and we cannot give them money. We want them to have good money. They can take the bodies, or they can bury their loved ones. Number 3, we want people to invest so that when you retire, you have something you can be getting money from. Retirement is something you need to think about. You need to think something long term, and that's why I'm thinking about what I have talked about today. So nataka watu waongee. I want you people to respond to this. Na musuggest subscriptions. Subscription ya Nohepa, subscription ya Benevolent, na subscription ya Platinum. I want to hear your ideas. Nitaanza na Mwaura because he's the nearest person. Oh, Mwaura ameogopa. Anybody who can talk? Sally? Just say anything. See if it's a good idea. Simama tu.
Wacha tuniketi tu hapo.
No, just
No, let me just sit please.
Okay.
For a reason. Okay, so Sam, that's a noble idea, and we really appreciate and acknowledge your zeal. That's an extraordinary spirit that you got, and I don't want to view my personal opinion, but I can generally say that it's a noble idea to have somewhere you can run to, somewhere you can go air your grievances, somewhere you can just have a hearing for your problems. This is a state where so many challenges are coming up and cropping up every day, so it's a good idea to have a door that is always open for you. So I would advocate for that. though I know people may not be so open to like air their personal views, but I'm backing you, Sam, for that. I'm in a certain group whereby people are getting help psychologically. This place is very stressful. And apart from having friends, close friends, true friends that can that have your back, you also need a wider range of assistance that you can get. There are problems that cannot be solved by a close friend or a boyfriend or a girlfriend. So that's the exact time that you got to get to Sam or to any group that you belong to have your problem solved. And all these avenues are God-given. So follow your heart, get personal decisions on issues. Don't be recruited to hurt anybody or to like oppose anything that is being said. Just stand your ground and say, for me, Sally, this is my position and I'm for it. Sam, for real, I'm for it. I know what it means. So guys, let's do it.